Hello, Forest Heights. It's Mr. Fondren. Today we're talking about patterns. Patterns are everywhere. We see them in trees and flowers and plants. We see them in animals like zebras and leopards and tigers. Patterns are everywhere, even in math. Let's look at our first K2 problem. So the question says, how many pennies will be in box number 4? Well, let's look. Box number 1 has 1 penny. Box number 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4. Box number 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pennies will be in this box? Well, let's see. So in box 1, we have 1 penny, which equals 1 cent. So if we look at box 2, we have 1 penny plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3, that gives us 4 cents. Let's look at box 3. We have our 4 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 cents plus 3 cents equals 7 cents. So if I were looking, I've added 3 cents here, and I've added 3 cents here. Let's add 3 cents right here. So if I have 7 cents, I add 3 cents. Let's see, let's use our pennies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's our 7. Let's add 3 more. There's 1, 2, 3. Now let's count them all. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our 4th box should have 10 cents. How many of you got that answer? If you did, give me a high five. Now, let's look at the 3rd through 5th grade problem. So our question says, what pattern do you see in the picture? What do you think will happen at the 4th and 5th horn blows? So let's look. Looks like we have 1, 2 on our first horn blow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on our second, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on our third. Okay, so let's look at the pattern. So for the first, we had 2 puffs of smoke. On the second, we had 2 to start with, but then we ended up with 6. 2 plus what equals 6? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we added 4 more to that. So now we have 2 plus 4, that equals 6. Okay, so let's look at the third one. The third one says we start with 6 from the previous, and we add 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. So what do we think the fourth hornblow is going to be? Well, we should have the 10 from the previous, the third hornblow. Okay, so we have the 10 plus, well, we added 4 for this one and 4 for that one. Let's try adding 4 for this one. That equals 14. And I could draw 14 circles of smoke. Okay, so now for the fifth one, we would have our 14 from box 4 plus, I'm going to add 4 more like I did before. That gives me 18. So I should have 18 puffs of smoke if I drew them. So we ended, our fifth hornblow had 18 puffs of smoke. So here's an add-on problem for those math geniuses out there. What would be the best way to find how many puffs of smoke there would be for the 10th hornblow? Leave your answers in the comments. So, as you can see, up to day 27, you should take the $1 million. But if you can wait till day 28, and then day 29, and then day 30, you will be much, much richer. Who knew? So, my question is, what patterns can you find? If you go out for a walk, what patterns do you see? What patterns lie around your house? What patterns can you create today? Have fun!